Hi everyone. You have seen me harvesting a tons of healthy big tomatoes covered in previous episodes. I would like to tell you how I take care of my tomato plants to get these kind of harvests. And answering the question, does pruning helps? Yes, for sure in indeterminate tomatoes and no for determinate varieties. You are going to see the difference between those two varieties in this video. This is how I prune my tomato plants from the bottom, and you can clearly see baby tomatoes in this plant supported with tomato cage and also staked for additional support for its weight. The first two plants showing here are voluntary indeterminate tomatoes, and each holds more than 50 green tomatoes right now and all are healthy. When tomato plants get pruned regularly, its leaves receive sufficient sunlight and the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently, boosting growth and fruit production. Naturally, the better that you can see the fruits on your plants, the more ease you will have with identifying and picking the ripe fruit. Pruning also helps increase crop production, encourage more compact growth, and reduce risk for plant diseases. I gave them all purpose fertilizer with 10 10 10 nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. But nitrogen low fertilizer is suggested for tomato plants to avoid lot of foliage. And I also give fish fertilizer twice. I am going to give fish fertilizer one more time to all plants this week to encourage these tomatoes grow big. This is Better Boy indeterminate tomato plant I bought from Lowe's. It started producing recently. There are other two of same variety. These plants are not producing tons of tomatoes like other two plants, but a few healthy good size so far. So here are the two Better Boy variety. This is first year I am growing these, so I have no idea of production quantity, but so far plants looks healthy and whatever the fruits producing are beautiful looking and good size. This is Phoenix determinate tomato. You know that we bought this from Costco. You can find this unpruned because determinate tomato doesn't need pruning and can reduce yields if we cut them. So find the difference between these two varieties and help yourself with high tomato production. This plant definitely has more than 20 good size healthy tomatoes and still producing. Tomato started ripe already. You can see how short this plant is compared to indeterminate tomatoes. So no pruning business required with this variety. This one is a husky cherry red tomato plant growing since a month. It started producing fruits already, but since it is determinate, it will make a bush and produce a ton of tomatoes in a month. Tomatoes also love Epsom salt. 1 spoon per feet once in its lifetime is ideal for healthy growth. There are around other 20 tomato small plants growing which will follow the production of the plants now producing. Hope you find this information helpful. Please work on your tomatoes and enjoy high tomato yields. Please subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you next video.